DAX last week once again reversed from its stronger support levels at 15,700, 800 and has shown a very smart recovery and closed the week at 15,175 levels. Now what to expect next week and for the month of July, which position you should take in order to profit trading the DAX, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for the next week and also for the complete month of July. So do watch till the end, and before leaving the video, press the bell icon. Also share, subscribe and comment, and pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the daily analysis on major global markets and commodities. You can also get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now see, first let's have a look at the daily charts. See, certainly 14,700 levels. See, previously this was 15,700 levels. Previously this was the resistance. Now these are the support levels. You can see multiple candles getting rejected earlier when it was below this zone. Now multiple candles are getting rejected once it is above this zone, and hence it is still respecting 15,600 and 700 zone. Now what has happened since last few weeks is higher lows, higher highs, and the DAX is still trading in this channel, swinging in between this zone. Now the highs of this channel is staying at around 16,500 and 600 zone for the near term, that is for next week. If it continues to rise, stays above 16,200, certainly first level is what you can expect, 16,300, 350, and then we may see it hitting directly 16,500 levels. So this is what you should note. At the same time, look how it is behaved. It is consolidate 3 to 4 candles here with the support at 14,700, 800, one bullish candle, a retracement candle, another bullish candle, and hence it can continue with the third bullish candle and show a complete V-shaped recovery here. So this is something you should watch out for. Yes, it is very much trading in this bullish channel, and this is on the daily charts. Just eliminate this breakout and you will find that Germany40 is in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel are at 16,500, 600 levels. Now coming to the week. On the weekly charts, couple of observation: lower highs, lower lows. This time one observation here is, see, despite lower lows, see multiple candles getting rejected at these levels. Previously this was the support here, this was the resistance here, and now these levels are the support. And specifically next week, if you see it opening and trading above 16,200, you can at least expect 16,300, 350, and then beyond that certainly we are looking at 16,500 levels this time, which is going to provide it a very good resistance on the upside. If you track the movement of Germany40 from near past, you will find this was the bottom here at 12,000. Since then a V-shaped recovery, higher highs, and if you just connect the dots here, you will find it is trading in this bullish channel. The bottom of this channel is now close to 15,500 levels, which is definitely very good support. Any breakout below 15,000 is what you should consider a reversal, and beyond 15,000 is where you can expect that it is going to crash. As you can see, 15,000, why it was a greater support. Now likewise we are seeing the same support at 15,700 also. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, see, previous to previous candle, a red candle. This candle started with a flat bottom and achieved higher highs. Now this is also indicative of the channel in which it is trying to trade. Also, if you look at the body size is consistently increasing, and this candle has specifically left a wick on the upside. Now this means that probably the next candle opens above this and continues to trade on the bull side. You have to wait for 16,500 levels to be breached, and then you can say that it is going to fly further on the upside. So definitely staying above 16,200 you can buy. However, 300, 350, 400 are three major resistances, and then 500 directly will come into picture. The greater resistance are on the up. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators if the indicators are also of the same opinion for a rise or not. Now indicators, if you look at, see, the moving averages are trading with divergence and are bullish. Potentially it can try to trade sideways for a while till the time the moving average reaches upside till towards 15,000 levels, and then achieve this zone and then potentially a bounce back. So this is still a bullish sign for DAX here. Now only worry point is the stochastic, which has been trading overbought since last few months, and it is still continuing. You can see this area here. What has happened here, it stayed overbought for a while, and the same thing is happening here. More of this was dominated by the red candles, but right now it is dominated by greener candles. Also, if you look at the MACD, this is crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish. Look at this crossover, how far it has taken the rise, and this is the first wave. This is the beginning of the second wave here on the monthly charts. RSI also looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness. And on the week, now look at the weekly charts, it has crossed over here, since then trading with divergence and bullishness. Right now, if you look at, see, the prices converge for once till towards the 50 period moving average. Since then it has been trading bullish, and now it has converged till towards the 20 period moving average, and it's still trading bullish here. Now remember, the bottom of this channel now staying at around 15,000 levels, and hence once it stays below 15,600 700 zone, you can say that more bears to follow, and we see 15,350 15,000 levels as the next stronger support, which will still keep DAX in a bullish or buying zone. If you look at weekly stochastic, this has dropped and now trading at the median. At the same time, look at a crossover on MACD on the weekly charts. You'll find this crossover has happened at a slightly higher levels, and hence from here a little pullback cannot be denied. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, after staying bullish for a while, the moving averages have converged. Also, the prices converged still towards the 100 period moving average, and now starting to diverge, potentially now looking at around 16,500 levels. So yes, still trading bullish. Any move above 16,200, buy, wait for 16,400 and then 500 levels to be breached for further bullishness. Stochastic back to overbought zone. Likewise, the MACD was trading with a fat bearish belly, now willing to converge crossover for a buy. And if you look at, see, the DAX is still trading in this bearish channel on MACD. However, the highs of this channel can also, it may try to achieve. RSI looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably next week and for the month of July, and you can take your positions accordingly. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 23rd mentorship batch, which starts on 10th of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, remember, first equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify potentially profitable trades and the strategies in order to how to trade profitably. So join this mentorship batch, definitely you'll benefit. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy at 16,210. Expect here 16,280, 16,350 and 400. These are the two major levels which it needs to pass by, beyond which little more bullishness may prevail, and then the most strongest level at 16,500 will come into picture. If it stays above 16,500, more bullishness is going to be seen, and potentially we are going to look at 16,660, 16,800 and then 17,000 levels here. Hence take your trades accordingly, and remember, it is going to remain extremely overbought if it achieves such higher levels, and from those levels it can try to consolidate or drop, and hence we have to be watchful on the upside, as DAX has already seen a very good movement so far. Now on the sell side, you can sell here at 15,140, 16,140 here, and then below 16,140 16,000, very good support. 15,890, very good support. Then I will look forward to 15,800. Now 15,800, 15,700 is an extremely important level. We have seen DAX getting a pullback around these levels, because below 15,700 we might see it hitting 15,500, and below that it can try to crash further for 15,250, 15,000 and below levels. And hence you have to trade carefully, you have to watch out carefully, achieving the highs at 16,500 levels. Possibly there is a chance that if it is done in next couple of days, we may see DAX or Germany40 pulling back strongly later in this month, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank